Today, we're diving into some incredibly exciting news that might have flown under the radar for many tech enthusiasts and drone lovers. While most people have been focused on the buzz surrounding the upcoming Avatar 3, something extraordinary has been quietly developing in the drone world. A sharp-eyed drone analyst, Jasper Ellens, recently spotted a fascinating detail in a behind-the-scenes clip shared by Igor Bogdanov. It was a blink-and-you'll-miss-it moment, but it revealed a mysterious new drone prototype. When Jasper zoomed in on the footage, he discovered what is believed to be a prototype of the much-anticipated DJI Neo 2. Unlike any typical drone, this one sported two large top-mounted batteries and white prototype labels, which instantly suggested that DJI is working on something revolutionary. But the most striking feature? Those double-stacked propeller guards. This is a significant design shift from the original DJI Neo, which signals that DJI might be reimagining this entire drone series from the ground up. According to several insiders, the DJI Neo 2 could bring extended flight times, potentially increasing to 20 to 25 minutes, a nice jump from the original 18 minutes, all while staying under that precious sub-250g weight limit. This is a huge deal for drone enthusiasts because it offers more airtime without compromising portability or regulatory freedom in many countries. On the camera front, the DJI Neo 2 is rumored to boast a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which would significantly improve image quality and low-light performance while keeping the drone small and pocket-friendly. This would be a game-changer for vloggers, YouTubers, and aerial photographers who want to capture crisp, sharp footage in a compact drone. Advanced AI-powered flight modes are also expected, possibly introducing intelligent subject tracking, obstacle detection, and AI-assisted cinematic paths. Some sources have hinted that DJI may include a next-generation transmission system, potentially a slimmed-down version of the O4 or an upgraded Wi-Fi solution, offering more stable live feeds and improved control range. Jasper Ellens, who has reliably leaked major DJI products in the past, such as the DJI A3S goggles and the DJI N3, suggests that the DJI Neo may be launched later this year, potentially in Q4 2025. If this timeline holds, we could be just a few months away from DJI officially revealing this powerful drone. While the DJI Flip and the upcoming Neo 2 might seem similar, they are actually designed for different users. The DJI Flip is a super lightweight, foldable drone targeted at casual drone users, travelers, and hobbyists who prioritize compactness and ease of use. It's perfect for content creators who are constantly moving and need something simple and portable. On the other hand, the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be a more advanced mid-range drone, ideal for drone enthusiasts who want powerful features, extended battery life, and superior camera performance without having to pay flagship prices like those in the Mavic series. The original DJI Neo already stood out in the mid-range drone space with its impressive value and reliability. If the DJI Neo 2 delivers improved flight time, enhanced imaging capabilities, AI-powered features, and possibly better obstacle avoidance, it could easily become one of the most competitive drones in its class. But that's not all DJI has in the pipeline. Recent leaks suggest DJI is preparing for a massive product rollout in 2025. One of the most talked about releases is the rumored DJI Mini 5 series, which is expected to cater to entry-level users looking for an affordable but capable drone. The Mini 5 is rumored to drop shortly after the Mavic 4 series, likely by late 2025. Surprisingly, insiders claim that the Mini 5 and the Neo 2 might launch simultaneously, which is an unusual move for DJI, as they typically stagger their releases to keep market attention focused. So, should you wait for the Neo 2 or go for the current Neo model? Well, the original Neo is still a fantastic mid-tier option that offers excellent features at a reasonable price. However, if you're the kind of pilot who wants to experience the latest and greatest, especially in terms of flight performance, camera innovation, and AI-assisted flight modes, it might be worth holding out for the Neo 2.2025 is shaping up to be a historic year for DJI, with an incredible lineup that will have something for everyone, whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a seasoned drone pilot. Now let's shift gears to another exciting DJI development, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The early leaks had us a little concerned because initial prototypes showed some awkward, cage-like propeller guards that made the drone look bulky and clumsy. However, recent footage from Maro Tandoy, captured while filming a mountain biking sequence, has finally put those worries to rest. Here's where it gets really exciting. Jasper Ellens, via Drone XL, has confirmed the official launch date, August 7, 2025. That's much sooner than expected and has set the DJI community buzzing with anticipation. One of the biggest highlights is the expected 1-inch camera sensor, which is a serious leap forward for a sub-250g drone. This could bring near-professional image quality with fantastic low-light performance and stunning dynamic range. Early leaks also suggest the Mini 5 Pro might achieve up to 55 minutes of flight time on a single battery thanks to a huge 4,680 mAh power pack, a significant improvement over both the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. This information comes from an official FCC certification label, which all but confirms its legitimacy. FCC filings are part of the regulatory approval process in the US, and the leaked label includes critical technical details like model numbers and battery specifications. This means we can take these specs as more than just rumors. They're almost certainly real. With this powerful new battery, it's not just the longer flight time that's impressive. DJI might also introduce fast charging technology, which would be a huge bonus for drone pilots who need to get back in the air quickly. This next generation mini drone is shaping up to be DJI's most advanced ultralight drone ever. According to leaks, the Mini 5 Pro will introduce quick-release propellers and maintain the lightweight, foldable design that makes the Mini series so travel-friendly. For controls, it's compatible with the RC2 controller, the motion-based RC-N3, and DJI's Goggles 3 or N3, making it a solid option for FPV fans and immersive flight enthusiasts. However, the much-rumored RC track seems to have been quietly cancelled for now. There are whispers that DJI is also planning to introduce voice control functionality similar to what we've seen in the DJI Neo, along with in-app audio recording. These features would be especially useful for vloggers and YouTube creators who want to capture behind-the-scenes commentary in real time. According to drone insiders like Jasper Ellens and Hakasushi, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to officially launch in September 2025. The base package, which includes the RC-N2 controller and one battery, will likely start around $850. The Fly More combo, bundled with the RC2 smart controller and additional batteries, could reach up to $1,200. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its gimbal design, which is expected to allow for full 360-degree rotation, similar to what we've seen with the Mavic 4 and DJI's Osmo Pocket line. This could be a game-changer for filmmakers and content creators looking to push creative boundaries with dynamic, cinematic drone shots. The motors are bigger and now feature ventilation ports for better heat dissipation, which should improve flight stability, especially in windy conditions or when carrying heavier payloads like ND filters. Overall, it seems DJI is aiming to redefine what's possible in the ultralight drone category. Between the Neo 2's rumored AI advancements and the Mini 5 Pro's top-tier camera capabilities, DJI's 2025 drone lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting